Arrive in style with this Ford 2012 F-150 FX4. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include locking limited slip differential, 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, tow hooks, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all-terrain and tires, rear all-terrain. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.